Knowing how best to utilize the resources available to you helps maximize the benefit of any instructional resource. Let's take a look into the Ready Set Math resource to give you an idea of what features are available to you. Once a module has been selected from the 12 available modules, there is an extensive amount of professional and instructional support available and will be found to be beneficial and useful for all educators regardless of previous experiences with Math Recovery professional development courses. Each subgoal within a module includes an extensive collection of lessons and activities. For each subgoal, you can expect to find between 12 to 20 lessons and activities for large group and small group instruction, as well as independent student activities. These lessons and activities are designed to be easily adapted and are flexible to both yours and your student needs. Each are designed with a particular mode of instruction in mind, but are easily adaptable to be used in other modes of instruction as well. For example, an independent student activity could easily be used to facilitate learning within a small group setting. At the activity level, there are features to be aware of that will enhance the teacher's experience with the resource. The first feature are the downloadable materials when they are needed for the facilitation of any lesson or activity. This helps with preparation for the delivery of the lesson and activities. Companion kits that include all instructional materials and settings are available for separate purchase. Within the activity, there can be found light bulb moments that provide in-the-moment professional development as well as suggestions and considerations for the facilitation of the lesson and activities. These are designed in such a way for the teacher to feel as though they have an instructional coach right alongside them. Additionally, magnifying glass moments are embedded within the activities that provide look-fors and considerations for in-the-moment decision-making while students are engaged in learning. These provide at times suggestions for teachers in how to respond to students in their knowledge and their needs. Lastly, at the activity level, you may find variations for the lesson and activity that provide suggestions in ways in which the activity can be differentiated or slightly modified. Also, related activities will provide suggestions for continued learning opportunities from other modes of instruction. The design of the student knowledge checks not only provides initial information for student readiness, but also can be used to monitor student learning and progress while using the instructional resources within each subgoal. Additionally, you will find the resource called Home Communication and Engagement. Strong partnerships with families are built on clear and purposeful communication. We recognize student learning extends beyond the classroom and into the home. For that reason, this resource was created to provide support when teachers are communicating the learning focus. The Home Communication and Engagement is a downloadable document that provides educators with parent-friendly language to communicate the learning goal and objectives. Also, you'll find suggestions of ideas for making the activities accessible to students beyond the classroom and effortless ways for families to engage in the learning at home through activities and conversations. This document is for the support of the teacher to use in the home communications and not intended to be the communication source that is sent directly home. For additional information about the Ready Set Math resource, please visit our website at mathrecovery.org/ReadySetMath and click the Request More Information button at the bottom of the page.